Really, I'm happy to see you again through Hindustan Innovative Learning Hub. Today, I'm going to give the free online courses through Swayam. I think everyone know about Swayam. Is it right? Swayam courses actually it is a program initiated by Government of India. During the pandemic period, it's providing many free online courses. Just I show you what is Swayam and what are the free online courses available. In your browser, just you click Swayam, visit the page Swayam. Like this one page visible, I'm clicking here 500 plus courses open for enrollment. Uh, in this side, you have filters. Here, national coordinator means AICTE, CEE, CEC, IGNO, IMP, NCERT, like many options are available. Similarly, course duration 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, up to 24 weeks. Most probably, you can opt at least 20 hours courses. It will be useful for your academic duration. So better you opt 4 weeks course, otherwise 6 weeks to 24 weeks. So I'm giving option here. See here, upcoming courses enrollment. For example, I'm choosing the course Learning and Teaching. Learning and Teaching means here it will ask the question Learning and Teaching, join. So I'm clicking join. You have the screen like this. One is Microsoft account, Google, Facebook. Otherwise, you can sign up now. Better, you open any email ID, join through Google. It's very easy. So I'm clicking through Google. So already I have created the course. So no announcement is here. Simply showing a course learning and teaching. In case I click the next one, IGNO course. See friends, in this course is at free of cost. No amount is mentioned here. For example, if I choose another course through NITTR, here option is available. The registration fees is 1000 rupees. So if it is flexible to you, you opt the course at 1000 rupees registration. Otherwise, go for free courses which are available here. You can browse any course. Just find out which are the free courses available according to your knowledge or according to your interest. Then you can choose the course. So I'm choosing one more course, for example, this course, 16 weeks. In the 16 weeks, see here, course duration, course layout is mentioned here, and course coordinator details are available here. I'm giving as join. In the join, you must give name, mobile number, email ID, and your particulars. Finally, you have to agree the terms of service according to Swayam portal. So I agreed. I agree the honor code also. Review and join the course. See here. Thank you for registering the course. Click the announcement tab for important information. So like this, you can choose any course. Once again, I'll tell you what are the courses available and how many types are available. See here. National coordinator means it's type of concerns. Course duration means up to 12 weeks, 24 weeks. Exam date is also available. Course credit point is also available. Yes or no? Here you can opt course credit courses. Otherwise, you can opt without credit points. Better you opt credit point courses. Categories are available here. Category is ACT category and annual refresher course program in teaching, architecture and planning, education, engineering and technology, humanities and arts, law, management and commerce, maths and science, NPTEL domain, school. You can opt any category. For example, I am choosing the category education. In this category, see here, these types of courses are available. For any academicians, this course is very useful. ICT in teaching and learning. This is also free of cost course. You can opt this course only 4 weeks. It starts from July 20th and your exam date is 14th November 2020. The enrollment ends at 31st July 2020. Similarly, you can choose any course. You do your course through Swayam at free of cost. Thank you all. Wish you all success. See you in next video. Thank you.